Hi friends, welcome you all to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In this session, we are going to discuss about problem numbers 6 to 10 from exercise 8.1. So first question, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So what is given? Angle A and angle B are acute angles. So in trigonometry, we will take a right angle triangle. So one angle will be 90 degree, other angles will be acute. So it is given that A and B are acute. So angle C will be 90 degree. We have to show that these two angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. Another condition is what is given? It is given that cos A is equal to cos B. If cos A is equal to cos B, we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. So let us start the solution. So what is given? Cos A equal to cos B. So what is the relationship for cos? So C is here. So cot another hippie. So it means C equal to A by H. C is equal to A by H. So take only the underlined letters. So cos is equal to A by H. So now here C is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Let us take first angle A. So this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side corresponding to angle A. So cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. So who is the adjacent side? AC. Hypotenuse side is AB. AC by AB equal to, now if B is another angle, so let me take different color. So suppose B is the angle given. So for angle B, which is the opposite side, so this is opposite and this side is adjacent. So cos B will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So now BC is the adjacent side and hypotenuse is AB. So BC by AB. Now denominator we have both AB. So this AB gets cancelled. So we will get AC is equal to BC. So AC side and BC side are equal. So we know that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So that is, what is the angle opposite to AC? So this is AC. So opposite to AC is angle B. So where is BC? BC is here. So BC side opposite to BC is angle A. So the reason is angles opposite to equal sides. So which sides are equal? AC and BC are equal. So its opposite sides B and angle A. So they will be equal. So this relation you studied in the 9th standard, which we are using it now. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So then we get angle B is equal to angle A. So which is what we have to prove. So we have proved it. Okay children, I hope you can understand this. Moving on to the 7th question. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second part is cot square theta. So, what is given? Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So, we know from this some old hippie. So, yes, sin theta, S is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So, C stands for cos. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse and T is tan, which is equal to O by H, that is opposite by adjacent. So cot theta is nothing but inverse of tan theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So let us start the solution. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So what is tan theta? It is opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is nothing but cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta means cot theta is nothing but A divided by O. So adjacent by opposite side is equal to 7 by 8. So which is the adjacent side? Now we have to find out. So here let me take angle A as theta, B as 90 degree. So opposite to B, opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So what is opposite to theta? BC. So BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. So cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. So adjacent side is AB. AB by opposite side is BC. So AB by BC is equal to 7 by 8. So we make it after simplification 7 by 8. So there will be a common factor which divides both these things. Let this common factor be K. Then we will get AB is equal to 7K, BC is equal to 8K. Then K is greater than 0. We got AB, BC. So AB is 7K, BC is 8K. Now we have to find the hypotenuse AC. We are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square we have to find out. What is AB square? It is 7K whole square. BC is 8K whole square. So 7 square is 49 K square. 8 square is 64 K square. So we got AC square equal to 49K square plus 64K square. So 49 plus 64 is 113K square. So we have AC square equal to 113 K square. We need AC. So to avoid this, to remove this 2, we have to take square root on both sides. So what happens? The square root and 2 gets cancelled. So AC will be equal to root of 113. So in this K square, 2 gets cancelled and root gets cancelled. So it is 113K, root 113K. So we got AC, AB, BC. So AC is root 113K. Okay, children. Now we have to find out the value of sine theta and cos theta. So sine theta. So what is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side? BC. Hypotenuse side is AC. BC value is 8K. AC value is root 113K. So this is the value. So K gets cancelled. So sine theta will be 8 divided by root 113. Now cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side? AB. What is hypotenuse? AC. AB value is 7K. AC value is root and 113K. So K gets cancelled. So answer is root of 113. Now we have to find out the answers for part 1 and part 2, which we'll do it in the next page. So in the previous page for the 7th problem, we have found sin theta is equal to 8 divided by root 113. Cos theta is equal to 7 divided by root 113. So we have the values of sin theta and cos theta. So we can find out the solution for the first part. So first part is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So it is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So what is A plus B into A minus B? It is nothing but A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So this will be 1 square minus sine square theta divided by this here 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So it will be 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So instead of writing 1 square, we can just write 1. So it is 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So let us substitute this value. 1 minus, what is sine theta? It is 8 divided by root 113 whole square divided by 1 minus what is cos theta 7 divided by root 113 whole square. Cos square theta is nothing but cos theta whole square. So now we will get 1 minus 8 divided by root 113 whole square is 8 square. 8 square is 64. If you take square, root and 2 gets cancelled. So you will get 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49. Root of 113 whole square is root and 2 gets cancelled. So it will be 113. Now taking 113 as LCM, we will get 113 here 113 minus 64 divided by here also 113 is LCM. In the numerator we will have 113 minus 49. So what is 113 minus 64? 113 minus 64 is 49. So 49 by 113. So here this 113 is in denominator. So when we bring to multiplication, denominator will be in numerator divided by what is 113 minus 49, it is 64. So 113 gets cancelled. You will get 49 by 64. So for the first part, the answer is 49 by 64. Okay. So moving on to the second part. What is second part? It is so simple. It is nothing but cot square theta. So we already have cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 whole square. So which is equal to 49. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. So because it is given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, just we have to find cot square theta. So if you check for the first part and second part, the answer is same. So can you give me the reason? So just give me the reason in the comment. Okay. Moving on to the 8th question. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 minus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Here all are A. So angle A is given. Let us assume the angle B as 90 degree. In trigonometry, we will take the right angle triangle. So one angle will be 90 degree. Other two angles are acute. So here all are about the angle A. So angle A is given. What is given here? 3 cot A is equal to 4. So let us start the solution. It is given that 3 cot A equal to 4. So then cot A will be equal to 4. 3 is in numerator. It will come to denominator. So what is cot A? Cot A is nothing but inverse of tan. So this is tan. T is for tan. Tripping on acid. So tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. O by H. Now which is the adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse. So opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Opposite to this angle is BC and AB is adjacent. So tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Then cot will be inverse of tan. So what is inverse of tan? Adjacent side by opposite side, which is 4 by 3. So who is the adjacent side? AB. So AB by, which is the opposite side? BC, equal to 4 by 3. So the same procedure. So this may get after simplification. So they will have a common factor. So let the common factor be K. So then AB will be 4K and BC will be 3K. Now we have to find AC. So AC we can find it by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square, hypotenuse square equal to square of sum of the square of other two sides. AB square plus BC square. AB square is 4K whole square. BC is 3K whole square. So 4 square is 16. K square. 3 square is 9K square. So we will get AC square equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 k square. We need AC. So take square root on both sides. We will get AC because square root and power 2 gets cancelled. So AC is equal to, so 25 is nothing but 5 square. So it is 5 square k square. So this power 2 and this power 2 gets cancelled by the root. So answer will be 5k. So AC is equal to 5k. So we got all the values. AC is 5k, BC is 3k and AB is 4k. Now we have to find out tan A, cos A, sin A. So first let us find out the values of sin A. So what is sin A? Some old EP. So sin is this. S stands for sine, O for opposite and H for hypotenuse. So sin is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. O by H. So which is the opposite side? BC. Which is the hypotenuse? AC. So what is BC? It is 3K. AC is 5K. So K gets cancelled. So answer is 3 by 5. So next one, we have to find out cos A. So C stands for cos. So C is nothing but A by H. Another hippie. So underline the first letter. A by H. So C is equal to, that is cos is equal to A by H. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AB is the adjacent side. Hypotenuse side is AC. So what is the value of AB? 4K. What is the value of AC? 5K. So K gets cancelled. So it is 4 by 5. Next what we need? We need tan. Tan A. So tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. What is BC? It is 3K. AB is 4K. So the answer is 3 by 4. So we got the values of sin A, cos A and tan A. Now we have to substitute this equation and we find out the answer. Okay children. So let us do that in the next page. So far we have sin A equal to 3 by 5, cos A is equal to 4 by 5, tan A is equal to 3 by 4. We have to find the value of LHS and the value of RHS. So in the previous page, I wrote here plus and minus in the numerator, but it is wrong. The question is 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So this is the correct question. Okay children. Now we have to find out the value of LHS. So LHS is 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus, what is tan A? It is 3 by 4 whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So 1 minus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 divided by 1 plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So in the numerator, taking 16 as LCM, so we have 16 minus 9. So if we take 16 as LCM, here we have to multiply by 16. So 16 minus 9 divided by 16. In the denominator, we take 16 as LCM. On the numerator, we will have 16 plus 9. So this part becomes 16 minus 9 is 7 by 16. Here this part becomes 16 plus 9 is 25 by 16. So 7 by 16, if we take the numerator on top, it will become division. So it will be reversed, 16 by 25. So 16 gets cancelled. So the answer is 7 by 25. So this is the first one. Tan 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is 7 by 25. Now we will find RHS. What is RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A. So what is the value of cos A? It is 4 by 5 whole square minus sin A value is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square. So 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9, divided by 5 square is 25. So the LCM is 25. So on the numerator we will have 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. So this is the second part. From 1 and 2, RHS side is same for both 7 by 25, 7 by 25. Then this side, LHS side will be equal. So we can say from 1 and 2, 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. And we have proved this. Okay, children. So problem 8 is completed. So moving on to the ninth problem. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C, cos A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay. So triangle ABC is given. This right angle at B. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Tan A is given. So angle A is given. Tan A is given. So angle, that is angle B is 90 degree. So its opposite side is hypotenuse. Opposite to angle A is BC. So BC is the opposite side. AB is the adjacent side. So what is tan? Tan is opposite by hypotenuse. So let us start the solution. Given that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent is 1 by root 3. So which is the opposite side? BC. So BC by adjacent side is AB. AB equal to 1 by root 3. As usual, after simplification, we will get 1 by root 3. So, both have a common factor k. So, then what happens? BC will be 1k, which we can write it as k, and AB will be root 3k. So, k is the common factor. So, if we divide by the common factor, we will get 1 by root 3. Now, we have to find out AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB square? Root 3k whole square. BC is k whole square. So root 3 whole square. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. So this is nothing but root of 3 into 3. If inside the square root a number is in pair, then answer is that number. So this 3k square plus k square. So 3k square plus k square is 4k square. So AC square equal to 4k square. We need AC. So take square root on both sides. So this square root makes this 2 gets cancelled. So AC will be equal to square root of 4 can be written as 2 square. So what happens? This power 2 gets cancelled by square root. So AC will be equal to 2k. So we got AC 2k. AB is root 3k. BC is k. So these are the values we got. Now we have to find out sin A, cos C, cos A, sin C. Okay, children. So what is the value of sin A? So first let us take this angle. So according to this angle A, opposite side is BC. So sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So some old hippie. It means sine is equal to O by H. Opposite by hypotenuse. O by H. So opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse side is AC. Which is equal to BC is K. AC is 2K. So K gets cancelled. So the answer is 1 by 2. Now let us find cos A. So for cos A, cot another hippie. So C is nothing but A by H. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. A by H. Adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. What is the value of AB? It is root 3k. AC it is 2k. So k gets cancelled. So it is root 3 by root 2. We found sin A cos A. Now we have to find out sine C and cos C. So if we take C as the side, so let me change the color. So if we take C as the side, the opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. So this is the adjacent side. Now let us write the values. So sine C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side? Now take this blue. For sine C it is blue. So opposite side is AB. Hypotenuse is the same AC. AB is root 3k. AC is 2k. So k gets cancelled. So it is root 3 by 2. Next is cos C. It is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side in blue? It is BC. So let me erase this. So adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. What is the value of BC? Is K divided by 2K. K gets cancelled. So the answer is 1 by 2. So we found all the values we need. Now we have to solve these parts. Let us do it in the next page. So far we got sine A is equal to 1 by 2, cos A equal to root 3 by 2, sine C is equal to root 3 by 2, cos C is equal to 1 by 2. Now we are going to find out the answer for the first part. Sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. So let us substitute the values we got. Sine A it is 1 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2 plus cos A. Cos A is root 3 by 2, sine C it is also root 3 by 2. So multiplying the numerator 1 into 1 1 divided by multiplying the denominator 2 into 2 4 plus root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is nothing but root of 3 into 3 in square root. If the number is in pair, the answer is that number. So it is 3 divided by 2 into 2 4. So the LCM is same. So add the numerator 1 plus 3 it is 4. 4 by 4 equal to 1. Now second part cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. What is cos A? Root 3 by 2 cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A 1 by 2 into sin C root 3 by 2. Now we have root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into root 3 is also root 3, 2 into 2, 4. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0. So now we got the solution for first part and second part. I hope you can understand this. Moving on to the next problem, 10th one. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So now here in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So it is about angle P. So angle P is given. So let us fix the hypotenuse side. So opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. Opposite to this angle is QR. So this PQ is adjacent side. Now we fixed adjacent, hypotenuse and opposite. Now what is given? Let us start the solution. It is given that PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Then PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter. So it means PR. So let us keep this PR as such and take QR to other side. So it will become 25 minus QR. Okay. Now we have PQ, PR and QR is in this equation. What is Pythagoras theorem states? By PGT hypotenuse. Who is hypotenuse? PR square. PR square is nothing but PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. What is PR? It is 25 minus QR whole square. PR is 25 minus QR. PQ square is 5. So let us write this 5. 5 square plus QR square. So A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So let us start this form. 25 minus QR square. So 25 square minus 2AB plus B square. So B is QR square. On the other side we have 5 square, which is 25 plus QR square. What is 25 square is 625. 625 minus 2 into 25 is 15 QR plus QR square equal to 25 plus QR square. This plus QR square and plus QR square will get cancelled. On both sides, if we have a number with the same side, then it will get cancelled. So plus QR square and here also plus QR square. So it gets cancelled. What is remaining? Remaining we have 625. So this plus 25 will become minus 25 and this minus 50 QR equal to 0. 625 minus 25 is 600. Minus will become plus on the other side. So 600 equal to 50 QR. So we can write 50 QR equal to 600. QR will be equal to 600 divided by 50. So which is 12. So QR equal to 12. So if we substitute this in 1, substitute QR equal to 12 in 1. We will get PR equal to 25 minus 12, which is 30. So now we have all the values. PQ is equal to, PQ is 5, QR we found it as 12 centimeter and PR we found it as 13 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So what is sin P? So sum old P. So SOH. So sin is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So O by H. So which is the opposite side? Opposite side is QR. Hypotenuse side is PR. QR is 12 and PR is 30. So sin P is equal to 12 by 30. Next cos P. What is cos P? Cot another hippie. So cot another hippie means A by H. So cos P is equal to A by H. Adjacent side is PQ. So PQ hypotenuse is PR. What is PQ? 5. 5 by PR is 30. Now we have to find out tan P. What is tan? Tripping on acid. So O by H. O by A. I'm sorry. O by A. Opposite by adjacent side. So which is the opposite side? QR. QR by adjacent side is PQ. QR equal to 12. PQ is equal to 5. So it is 12 by 5. So we found all the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So with this we finished 10th problem. So moving on to the 11th problem. Here the 11th problem is of the form true or false. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Some statements are given. You have to check whether it is true or false. First part, the value of tan A is always less than 1. So let us assume this triangle, right angle triangle A, B, C. This is 90 degree. Suppose this is the angle given. Okay. Now we have 12 and this as 5. Now what will be tan A? I think you all remember the sentence. Some, so yes, old hippie caught, so see, another hippie tripping. So tan on acid. So this is the relation. So tan is opposite side by adjacent. So if this is the angle A, what is opposite? BC. So BC is the opposite side. So BC by adjacent. So adjacent side is AB. So BC is equal to 5 by 12. So this is less than 1. Suppose this is angle A and this is angle C. Now what will happen? Opposite side will be 12. So we will get tan A will be opposite side by adjacent. So opposite side will be 12 and adjacent side will be 5. So this is greater than 1. So tan A will not be always less than 1. So the answer is false. So this is the answer for the first problem. Second question, secant A equal to 12 by 5 for some angle A. So let us take this triangle A, B, C. So secant is inverse of, so sine is nothing but inverse of cosecant. Cos is the inverse of secant. So 1 by cos equal to secant. So hypotenuse by adjacent. So secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is given? It is 12 by 5. So here hypotenuse side is 12. Suppose this is the angle A, adjacent side is 5. So is it true or not? So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse will be longer. So that is hypotenuse is the longer side. So if you check here, we get h is equal to 12. So hypotenuse is longer, then other two sides, adjacent side and opposite side will be less than the hypotenuse. This relation is satisfied by 12 by 5. So secant A is equal to 12 by 5 is correct. So this is true. Now, third part, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Is it true? What is cos A? Cos A is nothing but cosine A. Cosecant A is the abbreviation for this one. So cosec A is nothing but abbreviation of cosecant A. So not cos A is the abbreviation for cosecant of angle A. So the result is false. Now fourth question. Cot A is the product of cot and A? No. Cot A is a single term. It is not a product of cot and A. So the solution is false for the fourth part. Now fifth one, sine theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So this is a right angle triangle. So some theta is given. So opposite to this is AB and this is adjacent and hypotenuse. So what is sine relation? Opposite by hypotenuse. So what is given? It is 4 by 3. It means hypotenuse side is 3. Hypotenuse is less than opposite. This is wrong because hypotenuse is the longer side. So the reason is hypotenuse is the longer side but hypotenuse is lesser than opposite side. So the solution is false. So this is the wrong answer. 4 by 3 is the wrong answer. So for fifth problem, the answer is false. Okay children. So with this exercise 8.1 is over. I hope you can understand. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, just like, share and subscribe.